everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we are going to talk about another optimization detail of 3-piece EPS wolf-pulled mold. We all know that 5 minutes quick mold change EPS shaping molding machine has very obvious advantage, mainly for energy saving as well as fast mold change. But using 5 minutes quick mold change shaping molding machine to produce wolf-pulled because of the design limitation of original water cooling system. The movable mold cannot water cooling in place. So before, we haven't using quick mold change machine to producing the wolf-pulled products. Due to customer request, now we have solved this problem. That is, without change the original water cooling design of the movable mold for quick change EPS shaping molding machine by optimizing the mold design so that the movable mold sharing the water cooling circle from the fixed mold, which can well solve water cooling as well as vacuum cooling. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.